So again, from this diagram, we know that for each respective VLAN, we need to have a corresponding default gateway on the router, which means that for every VLAN that we have created, we need to have a dedicated port as a default gateway, which will be more like the exit point from that network. But the challenge we have in this kind of design is the fact that we'll be utilizing multiple interfaces, assuming we have multiple VLANs on the network. So if you have VLAN, say 30 and VLAN 40, what's going to happen at this point will be that we need to have another connection connected to this, and this one is another connection connected to this. Just like saying, if you have the building, as I mentioned earlier on, everybody will have their a flat. If you have a more like an apartment inside the building, everybody will have their own exit from the building. It doesn't really scale well. Security wise, it's not a good idea because, for example, then it means that they have to keep track of every interface. But apart from that, it means that if we decide to create more rooms or more flats, means we need different default gateways, which is not a good idea, and it doesn't scale well. So the idea is for us to use what we call router on a stick, or what we can sometimes refer to as the sub interface.